Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple trick, how to indent text in Excel the right way. Indenting might sound small, but it can make your spreadsheet look so much cleaner and more organized. So let's jump right in. First, click on the cell you want to adjust. Let's take cell B4, which has the name John from Team 1 as our example. Now, head up to the Home tab, find the Alignment section, and click on the Increase Indent button. It's the one with a little arrow pointing to the right. Each click moves your text a bit to the right, giving it that nice indented look. Click it a few more times if you want to increase the space. It's totally up to you. And here's a quick tip. You don't have to do this one cell at a time. Just select multiple cells, hit that same button, and boom, all of them get indented together. Now, if you ever want to undo it or reduce the space, click the Decrease Indent button. That's the one with the arrow pointing left. Every click pulls your text back toward the left until it's back to the original position. And that's it. That's how you easily control indentation in Excel. Clean, quick, and super useful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more simple Excel tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.